This tutorial shows how to open a zip file on an iPhone and upload an SVG file to the Cricut Design Space app. When you buy a cutting machine template from Especially Paper, all of the template files are compressed into a single zip file to make downloading easier. But iPhone doesn't natively open zip files, so you'll need to download a zip utility app. I like the free version of the iZip app. In this video, I'm using the Pro version so the ads don't pop up during the tutorial, but if you don't mind a few ads, I found that the free version works great. And of course, you'll need the Cricut Design Space app. When you purchase a template file or download a free file from especiallypaper.com, you'll receive an email with a link to download your file. Click the download link and you'll get a browser window that looks something like this. In this example, I'm downloading the files for the giant sunflower template. Since I already have iZip installed on my phone, it's automatically going to ask if I want to open the zip file in iZip. Once you tap Open, it will start a sequence of events that extracts the files. Once completed, you'll end up with a list of all included files. There are DXF files for Silhouette Studio users, and the SVG files we'll need for Cricut Design Space. You can actually preview the SVG files directly in iZip. You can also preview the PDF instruction file, and if you want, you can open the PDF file from here in an app of your choice. I personally like to save and read my PDF files in iBooks. Now that we have the files, let's upload the SVG file to Cricut Design Space. Open the app and from the canvas, tap Upload Image at the bottom of the app. Select Browse Files and then navigate to iZip. Scroll to the SVG file that you want to open and tap the file name. Name the file and tap Done. Now the shape is available in your list of uploaded files. Select the file and tap Insert. Now that shape is on the canvas, you can tap and drag to move the object or pinch to zoom in and out. That's it. Now your file is ready to cut. If you're looking for paper crafts for cutting machines or paper flower templates, check out especiallypaper.com.